Biamano moralia sing injili bageri kwanya lele chinsa chabo no maragoba siba mitasa bategera tangambia mole mwenzi ene paati to ikirega igarero kiagera station ya Gatembe ne station Gategusi na ne era abantu abange bagotegera injasa marieta ne nkuru kuna hashon nyamba ne nyandoro genda igonga just for the abantu baito bamanye who they listening to ngaenda igonga ngarugonga karagenda gotolecha ekilicho because my brother no wale colleague as TRF ngaru TRF nkaronka chakamane chigwale soapstone seitongo bacha twalengi chigwale kiara seiteranga na tabaka karabacha chigwale for some time musana ale na bwata Nairobi ole ku France matu mukoyo akakonya sana kana ku supply soapstone uji Nairobi kerana akora kuruororo ngacha nkabe activist kana chinka ngende university bono kanyora chibe sanke ngende university karonde university ngende activist at the same time ngakorobo activism in the year nande ba danga yetro chaye no murayumya ngoje gusiyenge mananyanza of Kenya naende ngoika to all local authorities of Kenya jarange 100 authorities waganchora naende buno mu assistant secretary wa Algak all local authorities of Kenya jarange 175 2007 2007 Kaboli Chikura I was leaked. Okay. 2013 I came back to Kenya. Okay. Again as a politician I started politics. So I can have to administer the Kisii County government colleagues and I did my job very well. But as a politician and 2017 elections I resigned. I'm now in the private sector. I'm doing business, so and I'm a politician. So you didn't vie 2017? 2017 I didn't vie. You didn't vie? I didn't vie. All right. I didn't. I opted to support a candidate. Up to 2014, that's when I became an administrator. Alafu, that is Simba came in 2022. 2022. Yes. I supported Simba. I started supporting Simba in 2019. When he started coming to Kisii, I started in 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, he became a governor, and I am supporting him. He's my governor in Kisii. So, nerengo support Asabonaiga as a governor in Kisii County. And to our politics of maybe we see, you during the last regime as a county ya Kisii whereby nkwabeto umo current governor oyore gaiga asabona iga uyitokoro kanga mheshimiwa Paul Simba Arati. Mheshimiwa, what can you ngakiro cha bokarebwe county government nere more inclusive because one wants to be across Kisii County. Okay. Say I'm a contractor, say like contractors. You can get contractor business. Okay. Unlike before. Secondly, Bono, the jobs that I given and the regime, he makes sure that any job given must be completed. All right. Take for example, unlike before, year 2014, today, vitanya kwa hera. The last time we had a unifying factor was back 2002. We are in 2025, and the name Fred Matiang'i nohorire sensema ya gusi. Matiang'i nabate iga leta tunabana chensi nabata kitu kumukwa na mitandao social media, Facebook, TikTok, bagachaka ukwana Matiang'i for president. And people now started thinking, who is this Matiang'i? They remembered what he did. Okay. When he was in ICT, you know, he performed wonderfully well. Yeah, sure. When he was in education, he performed so well. That's why when you see the yellow vehicles, you remember Matiang'i. In fact, students we used to wait exams for almost 2 months. But when Matiang'i took over in the Ministry of Education, exams within a month. And people were surprised. Who is this person who has done this? What has been happening before? When he was in lands, he was in lands acting lands minister. He performed he performed until people started saying, let him be in lands. But because of his good work, Uhuru thought it wise to take him to a very senior post, Minister of Internal Affairs.
Yes, internal. I think he also
internal security.
He also acted as
internal security. This is the time to abugata al-sabab, to abugata to shit.
do 2 years.
Even to be a bandits barenge. There's a group yarenge in Nakuru. Yarikoro kwa formed group yarenge.
They were called as something of that kind.
That, he came in and made sure that abantu bali obasiriri. Make sure bandits bali barenge goita abantu baelide. So he performed so well to a level abantu bonse became ngima. The only performing person that can change Kenya is a manager, not an activist. So Matiang'i is a manager. He's not an activist. And in fact, when you look at him keenly, he's more or less of a manager than a politician. In fact, platform. He's not an politician. Politicians want to tell you what you want to hear. Politician never talk about things and do that go you. I go colleague liga, o manyanga abantu bata ke tempa tebinge paranko bale mirande, o bata be para. Abantu bata ke tempa tebinge chiskurungo bagajirani, o bata chiskurungo bagajirani. But Matiang'i is focused. When he was asked about Aba Ikoyo, they are part of this country. Aba Ikoyo, they are part of those people who are living in the Matiang'i according to before. And they are in fact not even Aba Ikoyo. Aba and be in Kenya. They are seeing him as somebody who are Komboe Kenya. So Aba Ikoyo, they are going to support Matiang'i 100, in fact 75%.
So is he a replacement for William Ruto? Because
he's a big replacement for William Ruto.
Sakukia Ikoyo supported the one William Ruto with Mheshimiwa Gachagua. Do you think that is now a replacement for William Ruto?
Yes, I respect William Ruto as president. I respect William Ruto as president of Kenya. But even to be a collective William Ruto as a office, as a politician, something has gone wrong. Because one, abductions ejikoba bonai na ande jikoba chitali founded tulikoranga ninki of course even abantu bale bayitiru even before the last government even Uru's government lakini akarokulira abantu bali go itu 30 time na bakoranga na machambasi akolete ndugiyeke alingi abantu babugate bad record lakini akarokulira abantu bago itu bonai these are agencies young children for nothing patakolete kende because of stray bullets. A stray bullet yaito monto innocent. But yabaiga they target abantu very innocent. Abana to school. Abana bakwandamana demanding for justice for their young children by Turubo Saigo. Like Albert Ojwang and the rest. So abantu bakwandamana ngi mwabo Albert Ojwang abana bakwandamana. Why do you kill them? And in fact, not killing them by stray bullets, killing them by pointing at them and shooting them live.
So, like, kubona mheshimiwa gitukuregoro abantu mba agose gikuria Gen Z mba chetase epara I could have wished ndaigwa eli kwa sababu ibintu byasaretigwe nibo yasaretigwe
abantu bali bakwenda maandamano bali bakwenda maandamano peacefully batagete kwandamana because they want justice to prevail n'abantu bandi mbarororo batagete kwenda maandamano because they are hungry they want roots abantu bali barororo bali actually thugs batagete kwenda maandamano bajikoiba bajikoita abantu bandi bajikokora all nonsense abantu bali barosire n'ubugima baligiri kigasi kurumwana muntu akolte university oligire gasi bakoyikire myaka 60 onyodre ngobugima obo none mukungo sinyo konyo ubugima obo is useless so all sorting about tigangende ninyimo kino ine TV no enkure supermarket ngenda nchikorora nyumba ni kukinda amurelizas ni nkugo chimbuya anyole chibe agenda anyole kusini mafuta kure supermarket agenda on no nanda mafuta na harusi supermarket 20 liters egara ujikonyonya konyonde kusungwa 1000 what does that tell you?
Frustration.
Umuntu is frustration, umuntu is lack of money, umuntu is frustrated in life and they can do anything. Basically that's why kwa umuntu akwebeke ngoli kwa ndike wait. Na abantu aba barosi no bugima that's why back on the street baje kwa ndike baje iba bamanye tenga ninga kurisas the better. Yes.
Na be konyarikana Yes. So do you think the Matiang'i being an politician and who seems like the political survive from his competitor who is William Ruto, who knows how to play politics?
That's the first question you're supposed to ask yourself.
Yes.
Who is Matiang'i and who is behind Matiang'i? One, Matiang'i is a manager, as I told you.
Okay.
Matiang'i, he has been perceived and he is a performer. No muntu o irwe gasi o proving and abako nyara. Matiang'i, he has come at the right time. Maite siasa nebu ate njireko genda. Siasa maenerego ika abantu bagenda baka bata bang enough
is enough.
Matiang'i has come at a point, at a time, abantu barosire no bugima. Abantu barosire no burayi bwenseyi. Abantu batagete change. That's what people need. So Matiang'i bono iga. Uchire ekero karonza atemiro warosire. Bamurukire watermelon, bamurukire what? Yes, tired. He's tired.
Okay.
Uchire ekero mata karua batemire barosire. But they are strong politically. Ochire ekero yuchini wamaro bajire bare energetic but they have not been able to click buna Matiang'i. Ochire at a time Gachagua arenge go support Ruto abeire isiko abaiko yo barengere iri baharolire ngaki enjera tu atendi ngigu is enough. We better support anybody obugambi oboboru ase Ruto. So that is what is giving Matiang'i a mileage. So all these people, they are supporting Matiang'i by default. In fact, not that they have decided to support him. It's a time that has come that even themselves, but
do you think
now the question is, in Tuabagusi, how prepared are we? Komeki eriogieri digende momentum weye again so that abaiko yaba barengambi yatole abasigizi barengambi yatole abagere barengambi yatole so that they come in and support us because bono iga you know Gachagua was the deputy president ya Ruto but bono iga uizokota banga Gachagua na atene nabo oliyo president yaire the chances are minimal compared to Matiang'i and he knows very well because he's a politician Oizokota bono iga na Kalonzo nabo lichikura against Ruto aire chances are very minimal because no any into abanyene bono abante barabe 50-50 but you see country bono iga everybody is yearning for Matiang'i. Everybody is going for Matiang'i. So these are the people they have opted mbuya uchi to support Matiang'i kubwa ko support oyo muito ko kubwa ko supported. So that tells me nga Matiang'i is a suitable candidate okwani seat Ruto saa 12 ya mambi. Saa 12 ya mambi what do I say? Onye chikura chikwa kumambi chikura 1000 by saa 2 chikwa ku 10,000. 10,000 okonyora Matiang'i abwati chikura 8,000 Ruto abwati chikura 2,000. So going forward which maragoba igokonyora ile tegentu kie ile chikura because the trend will continue.
Mheshimiwa, you see, when Rigathi Gachagua kera achitase nyomba ya aiche na numbers.
Yes.
Kurwa se orogongo rwa gusi. Factual, etobwate chikura 637,000 nebyo gotogetiga. And in Nyamira we have around 323 Abanabagusi, when we compile the number, it got roughly 960. So, which numbers do we have?
I don't go by the saying in numbers as a politician. If I can take you back, in Kisii County, which constituency do you think has the smallest number of votes?
The smallest number of votes, I think, the either Bo Machoge. Is it in Bomachoge? Let me look. I have a record by the way. I think is it
the
Bomachoge?
smallest number of votes a constituency. No, I want you for Bomachoge count it full. Or to count it full.
Okay.
But what? Nandenjira toroche binto. The party which is going the coalition, because definitely Matiang'i is going for a coalition. He's not going in for Jubilee.
Yeah, sure.
He's not going in for UPA. He's not going in for PDP. He'll come with a coalition, a group of parties chimo support chimo front who tells you ngenga kiyo teriko chakoba strong have been area ile temelo tare we for year. That's what we expect with the GNCs. Number 2, no, this what kwa boli ndringa inki yakora
how prepared
how kusibale Kisii we are not prepared. We are not prepared, and that's why I'm bitter. Me, I'm annoyed with Kisii, especially Kisii politicians. Why? This Matiang'i is aspiring for presidential candidate. He wants to be a president, and we want him to be a president, and we want him to be a president. So, ekerako nyoraba gusi bawa kasiasa enke ya chikoni. We are not prepared. Take for example, kwanyora umuntu atagete ko settle scores na Simba because ya kusapo atagete Matiang'i. Ochaka kurama Matiang'i because atagete Simba. Umuntu orama Simba because atagete Matiang'i. What are you doing? You are bringing division. Isn't it? Ekero bring division. Are you prepared? No. Number 1. Number look at people who are staying in America, Canada. These other countries.
Diaspora.
Like my friend. Let me give one example. Only, you allow me give only one example.
It's okay.
Umusani one okorokunga Cosmo Joy. Okotabanga nkuliali chikura chiobo
Embakasi East.
Chiobo Chumbe Embakasi East. Who stays in America. Yago tabanga anyumbiro no muikoyo. Nando tebanga nanyo mete South Mugrango. Nando imoko tebanga mamu mwabona akwete Simba techite matanga. Uimoka ochaka kora masimba imetandao. Nga Simba tajite matanga ama mamu mwabo. Amatanga nalinga abantu bakwerirwa banene bayitane Cosmo Joy Simba taragana matanga. Ochaka kora Matiang'i. Nga because nanyo meto muikoyo. Oyo no mugusi, are we prepared? Naba gusi naba mamuligireti na naba makokerete na Cosmo Bocho imbiali Cosmo Joy yimoka otebanga ngaba gusi nabaroki abagusi bakuri abantu ngere na arwara takurwari go Kenya igako ngenda America ngere amugusi arware no moiko yarware na kindi kyarware igako rusugwe nyiko ya timetsu kwaligere nyiko ya yakurusu gwagutigo mugusi abekere umoikoyo olikindiki. That's what he said in South Mugrango. Bono me atabanga abakungu bagusi. Bonsi pinga they agree. Ngambali kieni. Abakungu bagusi mbali kieni, ngomokungu ole kieni we kama nyete ngo amboi.
Moikoyo.
It's on social media.
Yes.
It's in TikTok. Bono muntu bunoyo ekera kukwana all these things. Olimokote no chaka korama Simba, ochaka korama abantu bande, ochaka korama Matiang'i. How prepared are we never go see? How many kids is bad in the back and Cosmo Joy? You are wrong. Cosmo Boy, let me tell you. Cosmo Joy, I have a friend. He's in America. But America, my teacher, America. The America is a white collar job. Nande ye work on be. I'm very sorry as having a Valiba market. Banyoro I want to tell you. Again to click Ababera, that's where they get their livelihood from.
Sure.
I know back in Dagger, school fees and everything. We are very sorry. Honorable Paul Simbarati came in very fast. Agacha atagete connection Orient State Triabang Valley Bairane, state Valenge Bagan school fees, Abana Bairane school. And unfortunately, again to get it, take care of an after.
Yeah.
So meaning abangina bata kitwanyo transport ya no gereza after umorali ka kitiganko mano minto kabunango kwana igabo ulinje no mwana siasa konya abantu babangire inga baje gusi bakora umukutano badikire nga Simba one time Simba keraja akabuli buyaga injene gabana ekero mugoja you come to me umuwaka odi gomoko uniform ngaki ngoja turebuo tali mugoja korete sagasaga akabate when you are coming we welcome you inchu inumbu ya muri inchu lakini ekero mugoja onye mugoja koteba one time genda guchiari na one time ya ino is that statement negative or positive?
It is negative.
It's positive. It's positive. He's telling the Mungaki
from the governors.
Yes. Governor got the Mungaki when you are coming to Kisi, Baki inform Montalius Moguch. Never Kakamega. Inform Mungaki, Governor, we are coming to your area and we need your support. Because Amanaba and Tobago Collegium president.
But so
Ekarabagoja, if you can allow me a second.
Okay.
Ekarabagoja, Akabatebingaki, when you are coming, please. Inchu neniengia and none, let me tell you my brother let me tell you
all right
ekero toko nyakoteba nga bono matiangina Simba na kwana bobe bone tokoja kumukulera nga matiangi ogocha tokulera Simba and let me tell you let me warn abagusi let me warn abagusi Simba has got a big support in Kisi matiangi needs Simba more than he needs Onyonka. If I can tell you,
yes.
He needs Simba more. Simba needs or Matiang'i needs Simba more than he needs Onyonka. So the best thing Onyonka, if he wants Matiang'i to be a president,
yes.
If anybody wants Matiang'i to be a president, in fact, they should stop talking ill of Simba.
Okay.
Because the moment Bagocha make a mistake. Wogerere Simba, if Simba will attend, I don't know whether he'll attend. I'm not speaking for him, but he will attend a meeting ya Matiang'i when he come to Kisi na Baba Chagwa. Anybody, I make a mistake. You go
again. Go support Honorable Fred Matiang'i, and it happens like the same governor or you're Honorable Magia ODM. So are you trying to say like Mbaleri diko work together by watiga a position ya as a deputy party leader osegwetera ase okwenda se kiama gigodem kwa sababu na roche kerokende mo governor I don't know whether it was serious or it was a joke gatabanga na bano Simba kwenda se kiama gya ODM and the united opposition as Fred Matiang'i are part of it seems to have a problem with the government of the day UR Kenya Kwanza and again we have the broad based UR omora yoye uyore umuske Raila Odinga are a part of the broad-based government. Can that work?
Moralia, if I think you have never interviewed me, I've been here before.
Okay.
But I like your questions.
Thank you.
And it's like you are a good politician.
Thank you. I have those ambitions later.
I want to answer you like this. Simba is ODM party leader.
Yes.
Simba is in fact omuntu utaketa bono Simba bonabe ngayinguchi abantu bategerere
bantu mbare bagotegerere tengo akabara gisimi
Simba abe president then Matiang'i abe president Simba rat
be good
you know Simba na amanyete the strength ya Raila Simba na deputy party leader ya Raila Raila Ochire as a broad based government is he had an handshake with the Ruto Bono, the only thing Simba can do for Matiang'i, no kobera Raila ange. I'm working, I supporting him. Come 2027, he's our very good ambassador to Raila. I'm telling enough is enough. Abantu bangire Ruto. Koranche to support to inchu to supporting. To support
Fred Matiang'i.
As his loyalist, what do you think he'll do? He'll definitely come and support him.
Yes.
But it is a kotiga, Raila Beradia, to Simba or Robono. Who is this person that will use Raila? Nobody. So the only person, the only weapon, the only person, the only sword that we have is Simba Arati.
Right.
In fact, let him be there. Let him support Raila Odinga. Let him support the agenda of broad-based government. But let come 2027, we'll call him, sit with him, tell him now we need your support here.
Okay.
And we need your support together with that of Raila Odinga. He'll go and sit with Raila Odinga mother njoro jo mwaka na kubwatsi.
Yeah, man.
No konyande naye. Nanya ko betro. Lakini aba gusi na kenyingima yangire. Umuntu rojo rabe president no teba kaki koranje teba Matiang'i tosha teba Matiang'i tosha definitely we will win. Another point,
Okay.
Simba is a governor in Kisii County.
Yes.
Simba wants resources from national government.
Yes.
For the last 2 years Simba has gone through hell because abasahani bagusiya abasani bagusiya abaito aba balinga aba friends baito ebare kogenda ase Ruto bamotebinga umumuroyo ndomobe umuro tagotagete tuasiekereru chibeza for the last 2 years. Simba gaika through his advisors, maybe I'm saying this because I don't know and I'm not qualified to speak before on behalf of Simba, but this is what I can again don't call engere bunomo gusi na ande bunomo rai akaranga imisako kole bintebi insako kubugate bintebi kan ntige ko support ntige ko support ya serikali ntige ko kwana bya serikali still bantu baito mbago chikonyora magenderero.
So
the best thing Yagokora is not to be so close with Ruto, but is not also not to talk bad of Ruto. Tabasa kumukwana bobe, na tabasa kumukwana bujamono. That's a leader to Bugate in Kisii and in Kenya.
Okay.
I watched him when he was live on TV, and he answered Amaswali adequately. No bongeni boigoro sana. Because Keroro maeta say interview questions chigo choma ete chile meant to fail you. Otachi ansetibu ya na boko nyorogo kuiye. I say alewe associate ne kiama kia UPA. Matiang'i belongs to a party. He belongs to a party. Like you belong to a party.
Okay.
But you see, as a candidate, this is not the right time for him to identify himself with any other party. I said what Abanga is in UPA party or is in Jubilee, abantu mbale barakuwa moyo. Abantu mbale believe in parties. Pata gitabe party yabo. So that party can only mileage. Because Matiang'i, for example, is called UPA. Anybody which called UPA will definitely get chikura chabo saigo. Chiko moeti. So kera abole to go akantenga tali party and the ons. And that's true. Matiang'i is not in any party. As at now. Why? Matiang'i will fight from a coalition. A coalition like now, Rio DM church. Chigata na chiabo wipe. Chikarosi nasi. So bono kwa kubuli Odinga kwa tebinga no DM wali. Ego ikinga kiye barosi coalition yagenda nasi. So bono will be lying. So bono igasa kwa tenga UPA ko sen Jubilee ko sen PDP. Because BDP is supporting him, or saying KNC supporting him. I saw to telling and chiale. No, any balibande bakomanga. The Gachi party, Chigachionsi, PG. Nere belongs to one party. A intermediate wrong an area. He must belong to any other party. As I would go chera, I can answer my son about Kalonzo Kurwaipa, I can answer about Eugene, I can answer about Gachawa. Rinda Batavangaki, I won't know, let the party out, Naire the party out, Naire the party out, they make a coalition, a coalition.
Kwa sababu igen tukiagara na kuboligo chinyo mechichage siasa chigocha, those are coalitions. Kwa sababu aro toko genda single-handedly aibuna aibueka ochiko nyorobura aibuense kuikoende with trust marriage, and the genesis of coalitions actually go belong to a certain party ero kwa manya konyora as maybe negotiate. For the longest time, asoro ngurwa gusi ntura tuare party like you're associated no gusi to a point abantu bagatabangesa iga. Erina into tota banga tikato enda se negotiation table gwetara se party iga na into to egwo mugao itonga this is a certain percentage belongs to this. Do you think UPA is now becoming yesega yomugusi?
Before I answer that, do you know the reason why Omugusi Tabugati a party?
Okay.
Tell us. As a long-term politician, I can tell you the reason why. Abagusi Tabugati Ndamwam. No boncho bonge. Look at Abagere. Abagere, they don't have any other party. They have ODM.
Okay.
Those ones are silent.
Okay.
You know, those ones are silent. Bono na intu kusiga. Tuwale kutuaro homo. Tochamo. Toche together. Tutuale. Epatia yemo. Yala kotokoni. Lakini gaya kwa nyoro monta kungusa kuchi PDP. Abandi bangusa kuchi UPA. Abandi bangusa kuchi KNC. Abandi bangusa kuchi KCC. Abandi other people. Even at now, they are making other new parties. Even there are new parties coming up. Naba Gorwa Sabagusi. Would go speak one language. Ekero Togo Tebanga Abagusi Tongsamo. So definitely Matiangi Buna a candidate Yaito Tobuata Korogusi. Eto expecting going forward, he loved to unite Omugusi first. He loved to bring these party leaders, Bagusi, Amo. Para make a coalition Yagusi, Para agreeing a key into Bunachipati Yagusi, we are moving together.
Okay.
Kuruago, Vamanyako Soko, which you a key into a coalition Yagusi, Etobuate Pati Korokuiga, in a coalition. Under this coalition, Ponobaga and they go rally. Baka never fight na babo yonde baigwana na babo karonso ngakaronso inkiokoba Matiangi inkiokoba Kachagwa inkiokoba Ayuchi inkiokoba Mother Karwa inkiokoba Omingo Magara inkiokoba. That is what we want and that's what we are expecting. Inje buno monto ekigiyokanda atake ntubu nabagusi Tige ukwana mangana ichipati. Let us support Matiang. Matiang is our party. Matiang is our candidate. In Abe, any party, Abe, wherever Abe, we are rallying behind Matiang. We are not rallying behind the party. No.
All right.
Yes.
Biamara sana se o kweleni liokuya kero tukaenda tako sanga amanayo mwatekari gwetera se namba 0741583878 ntaye tako igorre namba ya nesi migaiga onde olio bwate swaya taye tako boli gochese studio bono libaganiri yao na gwetera se nsemeri ya Facebook egere onyara ko sanga amanayo tukaiga atore no mwashimiwa na Hashona Nyandoro oyue ore she studio gaiga togenda takurigirira siasa chagusi no cha kwa Fred Matiang'i koba egatia baria gosekoba part of the team egochikonyara koba ege kuboria gosede agochikuboria boraibense ase orogongo ruito gose asense to ya Kenya eyue twensi tunajivunia kuwa wa Kenya na at some point mheshimiwa abantu mbale bago feeling nse ya kongere kidogo but that is how it is. La benserego ndo chikaiga korwa bana basratama konge ke pasata manga korodoa Katara agatobanga nwareme baba dan kanonchiri atabanga go enjoy the program sana koro madhare note Dennis wose Teresa Omboka Teresa agatobanga nwareme na bonsi bali anyarko bago gago atra kurbo samaro na borrega bwe asenseme yue gabwe ya Facebook tiango ndai kurwa senseme yechesimika tamba. Hello. Yes, umong na sarange mbiore.
Yandi tato tongkwane dio mwezimi anata Nyandoro mbiore mwezimiwa.
Mbiyamano mongina mbiyamano.
Mbiyamano tato niweta nayo karumono gali ugutumija.
Thank you.
Kona tato tenale kuri na ki. Goro manya tuku yawa tango yo kujobora yari mabiri yawo leba. Ono nale kuburi gacha totale wo jama nale ngubere pate bile bya mungara arati cyo kwana muno ndoka ubukuma wo jagusia nande yero maende tato ono nale kuburi ga yes tware ko nore chama cyo mu tano tanga to ore bya bantu wo to mane chama cyo mu bugito chama to kuburi bya mu kuira no yodo mu tato.
Biamona sana mungina sarange gatamba. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Boyero Nyandoro.
Mbiatore.
ene umurakera azisiasa toraye toterwanie kene muwabu uyu mwate na tusuyunda ulimu Njoma atendu akana na ngajao kujuma.
All right, thank you sana. Gatembe, hello.
Hello Gatembe.
Yes.
Oyo nitaka na yo mongene.
Karibu sana nitaka na yo mongene.
Onda yendo na rodi buya? Umweshimiwa mangana na arabu akwaniro umaene.
Yeah.
Anti tigana ntaya nariga. Nambe yemo. Tutara roshe chama. Sige ntonganyete. Umweshimiwa Raila tuamo support the miaka site ya 20 years.
Okay.
Around ingara support. Ino mugusio como support mweta maguru. Namba ibere. Iwanganyete mugusio bwenshi mugima. Manye round nga yakugutya. Kuti kuweka na tero n'abantu abayituma atabagera. Ose to di watara nekana.
Okay.
Namba isato. Ege nto nganyete. Umweshimiwa ite president candidate to ganyere ire. Taba isawa so achamende onsingono aho kikubori korwa. Aro sie chama ya yo manyino mu gimaso ine.
Okay.
Acho nyora babunge. Anyora ba mutie anyora kiro muntu o siasa.
All right.
Wetere chama ya.
Bien sana.
Namba yo muhelio.
Okay.
Onyo mu kirende mutaka kini mbwata magana mangura nyavere.
Yeah.
Choro mu gusito tigotiga go support mu gusio ito. Wati support isiko.
Yeah.
Ikitoko kibono kugocha sisi kabira chinde.
Okay.
Diamond.
Thank you Ntakana yomongena. Mheshimiwa kolengana buna kwegure, I don't know whether you have a comment kubwatakana na obanya ariko bagukwana abantu mbabwata mabuli amange sana.
Bono eke ntaketego ikiromongeno yokwana ni ya tutokuteri igoro ya unity na gotwale party yaitu. Actually what we need in kisi no gotwale party. I support umongeno yokwanire kwanire point singia nandaba ngina barabu na abuma itekero bagukwana, they mean from their heart. Mbanga buna bana siasa bayintu muntu gukwana ebintu lakini utarengera tukume yao. Number 2, entakana ya kwana mangana maya sana. For example, we have supported Raila for many years. We are looking forward for Raila to support us. That's why now having a key. The only person, the only soul, the only person we have owocha gotokoa nyakoleta si Raila a support Matiang'i in Simbarati.
Okay.
So we have every reason to support Simbarati wherever he is. So that yacha komoleta. Enjira wanda tukulinga kitu mo support ya matuka mangi. Ni round ya gocha gototika.
Lakini rende when we are talking about Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga who support the Umugusi, we have never had options apart from two rende. Yes. We have never had options.
Na abwate sababu ateberete Kibaki tosha. Because yale koteba nyacha etosha, mayetetika ngote ngara muwe na akimpe.
Sure.
Ale koteba ngakiria nyacha, ale koteba nyacha etosha. Nyacha etale kwa president. That time we know ni into twalenge divided. Na nerta tali in fact tali getikura as wide as na mosque Matiang'i asokile. So igo ne tigato to punga this time 2027 na haja to support. Lakini tigara arabe ko mumuro liberera ara moraliseri yake bakenga kiyike. Another thing mungwane ntakana yakwa nikia sana. Mpicha kito kworoki. Utubuno mugusi
the image.
Ekero toko nyoranga abantu bandi ebagukwana Matiang'i bobe. Let me tell you. Let me give an example of Osoro. Osoro, I'm not against Osoro per se. Tindi como play mono. Osoro is a cheap whip. Ali asale araru robono iga. Maita kurusu guga. I support him. Lakini amangana kurusu munoye. Uikali nda mangana kurusyo munoye ekiagera tabasogosareri umwana mwabo gendo kieke chikura.
Okay.
Na ende the moment tokonya kumulika linga igago kwa against will be against him more than he thinks he will be against Matiang'i. So again tutagete korora naba uzibo zipi patige barabonya kora zoro koragera airagera ndrigo utanga. A time will come and Simba spoke. simba igata abana ba minto tikakubaira bobe asibarega gutika bona ba bero ndoje to bakwanire ngora to barete. Matiang'i is very clever. So it will reach a point 2026 2027 to batabinga now come here sit down. Na barabo ko nyamba bwa option. Enga ki yoma ite bona na barabe mbaru sikuno ni boko bali. Because time jagodrik so onyo lenga ba support. So what I want to say amuziwensi pi tukwane erugengi ya kuchasi Matiang'i.
Kwa sababu egento mheshimiwa na nywire nga ntwabwate mheshimiwa Alpha Miruka kera matanga betega ali sinse mochiri chabo machoga and kiratinina ekarokananga abantu ba muogereire because maybe anda kyarenge tari gotera kwa Matiang'i go study part of the team ya Matiang'i. Mheshimiwa Matiang'i kiratinina gatebanga yaya no narasali lakini no miyare maybe ngakiwe kaneko na ichasale. So I don't know barai bari elected bona ga bara sebale
kuna kwa kwani Alpha is my member of parliament. Alpha ni mtoto wa mwele chikura na ndo mwetu kuikuska barai barai kera bacho liru we da bago kora buna bago kora tuna otoko ba maskani yabo nyasaye bye kaba chachi Alpha amatanga alia achete he missed a point.
You were there?
I was there.
All right. Tell us.
When he was given chance to speak, ekero ria tuliva gaiga. Ekera maitekero ole ekero mwana siasa. Igokorora what people want.
Body language.
Gale gotebanga. Ero. Matiang'i ne rebeka tokolto ndugie. Tobuga. Umaitekero montale gotekera amatekere ngoyo. Oyo na ali fogo kwana. Igale kogenda ali guite strong ali ya Matiang'i. Atebe intuna tora lero muna tuajira kero muguzi odere behind Matiang'i mai kero montala gotegera
Kevin
tenga ki tigato igwe ara meruto kwara tigato tegera ara meruto bamo elibaga ara meruto going forward abatebi abana bami into Matiang'i no yito nkomo support tole lakini bono iga buna tole iga etora sesereka ama tukongo ikale maito soro is very clever soro maita go kwa na craft lakini nonye no na Alpha it's only that people didn't give him time ta project ya na bantu mbamo at time going forward I know I talk to him ekera tu akolti ko gari I called him kama demo mheshimiwa what happened ngigiribo no kiarenge gari because as a politician me and we talk agante no ninche gento keri na wana raki yange kabiri keri lakini ende bana abantu ba kanire definitely my mwana siasa that is what you say the
perception
kama tevi that is good lakini agante vinga njoma eta my friend to Matiang'i and I support Matiang'i that's what he told me. So nkaroranga bale ko muhalibaga going forward na bale ko tabunga Matiang'i akole ndige
support. So bono nakiri swali yaniko chiranga ki are we in a point that murayo ndobwensi when if you look like you don't associate yourself with Matiang'i igora asicha konyora rough time in kisi to kira sibono iga ora tene
nyenkuru wazende if you not supporting Matiang'i you will get rough time. In fact ora nyola inje tindi age yokuoga but I can south na bongo watabinga karanza my age now they were teen south eliomondo lakini ekero kuwa na anything against Matiang'i especially in public ukwenye kumukwa na bobe nonjera ngo south so anybody yokuwa na Matiang'i bobe tiga prepare ko pack and go onye ko elected member because bono again tutagete ko umuntu kumukwa na bobe I be where you are lakini tiga kuwa na Matiang'i
okay
that's
all right
yes.
Anyway, mheshimiwa na Hashon Nyandoro turega sesemo studio mheshimiwa ndo chitiraika chetu cha mekere sana chide kamera ngena na isana na isato ikoro chinsenye ko to kunya gukorera ujumbe ki number 1 ntakete ko gukorera ujumbe ntangani ntaketora robo semi kuchia seke goligia Gen Z aba kuna tuacha kesho kwanya ariko bakako tebanga the same people barete in a project yabo in association go say kubwate na maandamano bagokora andake you talk about maandamano ari bagokora enyo bosemyo kuba no bosemyo kwa umugusi obotegereta semarago bayabona.
Thank you. What I can tell you about Gen Z ndake ko bayire ngambye mono sana.
All right.
Countrywide I want to thank aba Gen Z bonsupi the young generation aba bago support Matiang'i mbuya mono sana singe nchogo to Matiang'i nande we have intubu na eke golia kenene we are ready to support you lakini ndugio kamura akolebu na youth number 1 bwata chikura igabana bagusi bonsipi na abayiboli omwana oikire miaka 18 make sure obwatire chikura obwatire kura eginere message ndabaye number 2 ekermo obwatire chikura make sure you go and vote etokubwata chikura ntogo vote this time round because 90 to ikaranse message yenene kamuranche genda mwake kura. That's my message to our chances. Asabara ibaito, I want to tell them to stop using part language. Uchi asabara ibande ba mwabu. Utumia vulgar language, uchi asaba matamu siya mabe, uchi asaba antubanda bara ibande ba mwabu. Kamuranche stop. Stop your self-interest na litora nyore kirugi kyo president.
Okay.
Onye gotageto bugabana. Let me tell you, abantu mbara igero geto sumbuete gusi kerato cost into nyoro president ne kiro kyo bugabana. Why do I say this? Abantu bagasoka bagoteba tebatagete manduko. If I can mention this, you allow me morally.
It's okay.
Batagete manduko. Bakatema manduko ku morally bakatema manduko bakanya manduko tarigo click. Bakabeka X. Bagacha umuntu kurukunyandricha my brother kuruwa machoge. Bakati nyandricha bakanyandricha tarigo click bakabeka X. Bakaimoka bakanyorondali ondali agacha. Bakakuwa ondali na rogo chiko divide chikura chavo basi chiko divide chikura bakanyorondali tarigo click. Bairani le batakira bono nga omuntu bwe kora nyale no nyonka. Not forgetting ekeroge kiaruboge tutu. Bagusi mbali kiaruboge tutu. Na ande tali raisi kire na boge tutu. Number 2 asabantu bali bono nchinkoro kachiking meka no nyonka. Onyonka bono iga tagwene tukuligiri kirugo kende gions. Gando kuligiri kirugo kibo senator na kuligiri ekerogo kia Matiang'i. After Matiang'i is robo president, if he believes that Matiang'i is going to win, tagwene tukuligiri kirugo na ando go chansa. He can be the Minister of Foreign Affairs, he can be the Minister of Finance, he can be the Minister a position in into uzido wetogere. Era konyo mugusi. So, ekero kuligiri abantu abayiga barayaba. They should definitely stop completely okwana abarayibande bo. Stop talking ill of Simbarati. Because Simbarati na abwate chikula chinyinge usi. And we need in fact onyo montoro wenda kwa support jobo governor in Simbarati. Such that atore tere chikula chirichi ayabwate wochase Matiang'i. Ekero to okwana ill of him. Ngo divide trabantu bali ba Simbarati batake okwana ill of Matiang'i because yabarayaba bande.
All right.
Are you getting me? Because tenga Matiang'i wacho kukwana. Tabaka tenga because nyonga kuma support na anda akora masimba ndomo tageti. Because tonya ko support Simba na anda Matiang'i na anda akora masimba ndomo tageti. Because egosito tebe manduko ako support Matiang'i na anda angete Simba ndomo tageti. So definitely we'll divide votes. We'll be dividing votes. Again tokena nale kukwanda. Abagusi tuabeire bobe na TikTok. Tuabeire bobe na social na Facebook. Okonyoro monte ikaranse buwaye abwate personal differences. Let me use Gagmunganjere. I don't know whether I'll offend my governor, but let me say this. Okonyoro monte ikaranse because ne eren korda banta bango monta ko endo ikaranse mwaye kesona obeke kerogo abwate personal differences na Simba ochaka komurama ngabono ngango support yale Matiang'i. Ojaka go use example bunenga Simba kwanide because I've got the personal differences and these people are known n'abantu bamanyire kamuranje tigako use TikTok social media tiri kweba social media deri kweba ebintu kwa begre TikTok imbiri kwebwa ayebone kwa bega nande bintu imukonya okwana bagusi ebintu ebige biko ganda byaligere rugona abayikoyo nonye kokwane ke gusi abayikoyo mbali bako iweke gusi abakamba mbali bako iweke gusi abaruya mbali bako iweke gusi when they are looking at this go saba falling at tote binki bateba bagateba ngasimba tatagitimati yani. So what are you telling them?
You are sending a bad message.
You are sending a bad message. So nkokurera abagusi ba minto abana baba minto bakonya gole kodi ji creep bagokwana nganyalebe into patageti gakwana nyalebe bobe you toliyo yo go affect in fact imwanti timatian na matian should come out hata bya ndanga ki njitinda batoma mu kibongwane usaba abantu ba matian bati no studio batebya abantu abanga into what you are putting in social media it's damaging us.
Okay,
Again to kene nali kokwanira. In fact, this is a strong message that I want to send as a politician. And then take it in Bagusi. We are welcoming Gachagua and his team.
Okay.
Wajagusia. Lakini Kerobara and I'm requesting Umugabano to Simbarat that Ekeroba you are the father of Kisii County. You are the CEO of Kisii County. Abantu abagona dirikuwa tena go support Matiangi na ana botuta geteka rabo cyo mu support. Lakini mugusio ndebwens ora make a mistake. Yo kogerera monto ndebwens. I want to tell you aguna over president ogo president we voice kwaera. Ekiagera the moment to kogerera for example go sensimba to gerera ekaracho so mukutano uligacha kwa bali. We are supposed to support Liago Tenaiga to akachi inkobi to mokulere abantu barenga we united. Matiango tenena enseyonsi kule abantu bari we united. Gachagugo tenena abantu bayiriate pakarenga iga no nganjira mono ku Bugando. Lakini bajira asande bagotengerubuya. Bamanye bocha banyone ngekeroko sesimbago tenena ngebi monto mbira iga byakandire chizingibere isato nakura. Nonde bwenzi ora atumia abantu. Abaraya baiga buna bono oyo minto nyonka oyo minto tonya oyo minta ba o Silvanus Yosoro oyo minto Chabed Nyakundi oyo abaraya babons kamuranche Keroba Gachagua gocha gusi tell your lieutenants tell your abantu baino we are looking for over president tell your governor tokoligi tell your jumbe tokoligi tell your women lab tokoligi we are looking for over president.
Yes.
Kamuranche kani tebya abantu baino buna moko genda kale nyensi mbogo tenena mwakere chinko bijisa ino onye mkacha ko tenena mwakere chinko bijisa ino the moment toko te ando ito ngagenda ali simbogo tenena momo kulere we lose it.
Okay,
we lose it.
All right.
And this is the message ntararo abantu ba abantu endoji bakune bukwana sibana kwana Matiangi ariga what are you telling us? Simba stood Simba katanga ki I welcome agakwana abantu bakomumisi quote agaja the following day agatebanga ki inje igongo welcome Gachagua aije gusiambu oye let him come aba invited taba invited. What did you expect him to say? Ingibono what agita kwana okay onyo kwana tebono bobe ogwiditro ile bono what do you expect again? No, why are you condemning him?
You know, politicians are being misquoted, by the way. We live in a place, yani agantaka sinini, montako pikia ka point geteiga.
Given time, given time, I can tell you, there are people here, bata wena ndiko kwana kusia. Omondoko nyora, by one reason or the other, ajieta aka make a mistake, aga support Simba, aka make a mistake, akarama Simba. Erabuwe kasimba tamosereti akaruo bone gazi yaye no kurama simba kurumambi paka marogoba kwanya ngana into bagusibande nanko mubwati tone. I want this tune to change. I want this tune to change because abantu ambabwati their personal differences bakumuna tigaba mbato letera mbaba sakogera toba isikuchikogera Matiangi tanyore kiro. And I want these messages ikere Matiangi ngaki abantu tigaba tevi mati tigaba batevi their supporters kero bagocha gusi Simba moja nyamisi in that meeting igera arekane bube nganturi united
right
nando gochororo abantu amachani batebe kusenga ngongo bali nawe we lose it aba ikoye bakaranga we are not united they go back batebe ngabano tigatu front Kalonzo
okay
matenga be deputy governor kusiga again gozo chikobe speak yanyo be deputy president gozo chikobe speak and we lose it
so mbia mwana mheshimiwa sana aso kunyara kaboko gochagaiga chidaka chitire 52 na ibire chidaka ibire choka chategere chiraga chinsa isano chabona butuko kwanyara kaboko sanga mwanantu the message is the message is at home actually we need the unity, we don't need to divide aigasa kukemo gusi because ngakiyega nero toga neti twega neti ntutweka mono egere ngo tokuruga iga kotokwenda kuchialisi kokoligia abasani onyora nka ntutweka ntokorataki ntwebangete kuruga iga ase orogongo rwa gusi mheshimiwa nubwata mega ko abantu iga bagotoma bari bagategerera kotokorera